Hello everyone, this is CA Kunjal Shah and welcome back to Quick Personal Finance Bites. Today we are tackling a crucial topic. How much should you allocate to fixed deposits in your investment portfolio? Now, fixed deposits with banks are a popular choice in India for their safety and liquidity. They play a key role in emergency funding, and therefore financial planning experts generally recommend keeping around 4 to 6 months worth of living expense in the form of liquid assets like FDs. Now let us consider an example. Suppose a family spends 75,000 per month for living expense and another 75,000 for their home loan EMI. Now if an emergency arises, such a temporary loss of income may be due to accidents, sabbatical leave or maternity leave. Now reasons could be anything, but a family needs a financial cushion. What happens if the income stops and expenses are ongoing? Now, in this scenario, having bank FDs worth 6 to 9 lakhs can cover their monthly expenses of 1.5 lakh per month for the next 6 months without any financial strain. Now, let's think about the implication of keeping more money in FDs than necessary. Fixed deposits typically offer interest rates of 6 to 7% per annum before tax. Now, after tax, the effective interest rate is around 4% per annum, with inflation eroding the value of money at 6 to 7% each year. The real return on your FD may go negative by at least 2 to 3% per annum. Now, over 10 to 15 years, this erosion can be significant. So, in essence, FDs are ideal for short-term goals of 2 to 3 years or maybe some emergency fund. However, if your financial goals are more than 6 to 7 years, that is long term, other investment options might be more suitable for you. So avoid such costly financial mistakes which are understood only in long run. It is essential for every family to have a financial plan in place. Define your goals, plan accordingly, and invest based on your timeline. I hope you have seen my earlier videos about what is the right way of taking an investment decisions. Act on this recommendation and keep sharing it with your friends and family. Stay tuned for more such insights in my next videos. Keep learning, keep simplifying. Thank you.